This is Matt Jaconis with Russell Gage Corporation. This will be a demonstration and operation of the new Delta Scientific Model 700 electric bollard system. My name is Matt Jaconis. I'm with Russell Gage Corporation. We're going to run through the operation of the new Delta bollard system. Sequence of operation. First off, since we're here in the lane of traffic, you have dual direction traffic here. You have an out-facing traffic light, red and green, and in-facing traffic light, red and green. Two safety loops, one on the unprotected side, one on the protected side, and then, of course, the three bollards. The safety loop is indicated by this saw cut line here, and follows out through the cobblestone, and then there's a corresponding one, smaller in nature, on this side of the bollard. This one's shorter because of the swing gates. And basically the loop detector is nothing more than a metal detector. So when a car pulls up, it's detected, or passes through, it's detected. And in this case, this system, the only function the loop has is as a safety device. It does not cause the bollards to go up, does not trigger any other device, does not trip the lights, does not set off a sequence of operation or anything of that nature. It is strictly safety. So if a vehicle pulls up and is over top of this loop and the bollards are in the down position, you can push the up button all you'd like and nothing will happen. After the vehicle passes through, in either direction by the way, once they're clear of both loops, you can then push the up button and allow the bollards to come up, and down for that matter, with a down function. That is the sequence of operation as it exists right now. We'll actually operate the bollards from inside here. Okay, this is the Delta Scientific Master Control Panel for the electric bollard system. I will go through and describe each component and how to operate the system. First component is the master power switch and indicator lights. When this power switch is in the on position, both these indicator lights should be on, and that arms the entire panel, the entire master panel, and makes it functional. The next item is the sub-control panel key switch and its indicator light. For this system here at GSA, there is no sub-panel, so that's an unused key switch. The next item is the annunciator switch, on and off position. When this is in the on position and the bollards are in the down position, an internal timer starts counting, and after approximately 1 minute, a tone will sound, indicating that the bollards have been in the down position for that amount of time. There are two methods to turn off that tone. One will be to raise the bollards. The next is to simply turn the annunciator switch to the off position. The next item is the emergency sequence. This toggle switch, when activated, will raise the bollards in a slightly faster mode, but more importantly, disregard the safety devices, the two safety loops that are installed. So in a true emergency, activating that switch will raise the bollards. When that is done, this active light will be engaged, and at that time the bollards will come up and you will not be able to lower them. Once the emergency has passed, you can hit the reset button, the active light will go off, and then you will be able to lower and raise the bollards normally. The next item is the barrier close command with indicator light or position indicator light. An up command or a close command will cause the bollards to rise so long as the safety devices are clear. The next item is the position indicator and open command. When the bollards are in the down position, you'll get a green light. If they're not in the down position, you wish to open them, a down command push button will do that for you. Okay, at this point, we'll go ahead and raise the bollards manually with the normal up command. You'll notice that the light goes from green to red. and an open command or a down command, you'll notice the light will go from red to green once the bollards are in the full down position. This next function will be the emergency up command. And a reset and open command. Well, let's head on downstairs because that's part of showing you guys what to do. Okay, this is the electric bollard control panel. When you arrive, to secure power, simply turn this red switch counterclockwise. That secures power to the panel, or to the motors rather, and then a coin latch to open the controller. Inside you'll find all the components necessary to run the bollards. Starting at the top, this is the overall power switch for the motors, a power supply to run the controls, a PLC for the brains, a variable frequency drive for each motor, an overload protector for each motor, and the loop detector for the safety loops. Then a number of terminal strips and fuses for protection. In order to reset the safety loops, you simply push the reset button on the detector, or you can disconnect the control power and then reconnect the control power. If one of the motors is not operating for you, you'll probably find one of these overload protectors in the trip position. That is the off position. The trip position will be halfway, and of course that's the on position. This particular system is not on battery backup, but can be added at a later time if you desire. At this time, we do not know if it is on generator backup power, and the general contractor is going to confirm that. Okay, and that has been the demonstration of the new Delta 700 electric bollard system. For additional paperwork and videotapes, contact the Whiting Turner Company.